I would like to introduce you to a pair of loose pants by wide tube soya wool fabric. I will have a part here. The back is high, and there's a bow tie in the middle, and it's coming down from the waist, about 10 to 12 gasoline, and there's going to be some sort of layering in the middle, and the back part is straight bag. Then with this style, you will check the zipper on the side of the hip, or we can all do it in the back. I will choose this style. Is there a water drop zipper on the side? Let you wear it with this shirt. Let it be polite. This dress is also simple. I also showed it on the channel. So it's today's post. I want to talk about this wide pants. Watch and remember to give yourself a like. First of all, I will determine for the length of pants. My pants here are 90 petrol t-meter ha. You'll get the length of your pants. It depends on the height of each woman. Well, take the appropriate length. After that if you can get the length of your pants, there's going to be the position of the lower part of the butt. Put your ass down here and you'll get it. By the depth of your buttocks, divide by 4. And that's because these are trousers. Here I add for 5. The measurement is, you're going to use the scale for yourself. You have to measure yourself. My ass must have measurements of waist and butt circumference. You will see above A. I need to have these 2 measurements. See the measurement guide if you don't know how to measure. My waist here is 64. My ass is 80. I'm going to use this. If you have other measurements, you will assemble it. Here the sample is 84 divided by 4 plus for 5, I'm 25. You take down a street that's 25. Then take a perpendicular line. After making a straight line, you step back and give yourself a paragraph. It's about a year of gasoline. From here I started painting. I'll draw the wide pants later to make them beautiful. And from here, you'll get your share. Horizontal butt. I'm going to get my ass here. Divide by 4 and add. Then my ass here is 80 divided by 4. If we add 3, we are 23. I'm going to start from here. 23 sisters across a street. Then, from here, you step back into 3 gasoline. Then this 23rd paragraph. If you split it in 2, you will get the middle. 22 is 11 and a half ha. We'll get the middle way. You guys go straight up here. Then we'll draw the middle main road. And then from here, you take the waist. Then divide this waist by 8 minus 1. My waist here was 64. If you divide by 8 minus 1, it's equal to 7. So starting from this point you get 7. Then I connected this point. Then from this point, you will cross the waist. Divide by 8 sisters plus 1. 64 divided by 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. From here, you measure it by the number 9. This is equal to 9. Then you hook it up to your ass. The next part you're going to break down is a gasoline. Down to a centimeter of gasoline. And we're going to hit the bottom. And here you guys split this S in half. You can beat it 5 times and I will. Straight ruler. And we're going to get these baggy pants. And this part, you go straight. A perpendicular line. And it's going to parallel the old way. This part of the line. It will be shorter. The one on the inside for me is a gasoline and a half. Then you can get a gas and a half and we'll go. Let's make it a perpendicular line. I adjusted this word a little. It becomes a perpendicular line. Then you'll get your pants here. And it starts right up here, right up here. Come down and give me 10 gas. I'll give you 10 gallons, and then I don't have this style, but I'll arrange it later. Let's arrange the glass here. For example, I'm going to share this template. For example, I'm going to share cups. It. 1. Hi. 3 folding cups. 1, 2, 3 are here. Then each stack glass so you'll raise it as a gasoline. 1 petrol, 1 petrol. Not long after I cut the back, I will guide you. A drink for this part. Then the first body is finished. Then you can get the seal of the bag location from here. Like this is the right back, the right hip. Then we're going to put our hand in here. That we're up high. From this back down to 4. And from here you put your hand in. So what we see is this is going to be the length of the mouth. It depends on each person's hand. I get 12 millimeters of gasoline here. Then we're done for the part. My body will be in the theater later. And then I painted the body first. You'll paint the back. The next one follows the red line. Then you'll take a road down here. A centimeter of gasoline. Reduce the number 1 from this position. The red position in the you'll get me your ass. Divided by 4, my ass here is 80. Divide by 4, we're going to be equal to 20. From the red position on the red line, you will take out 20. There's 20 cubic meters of gas. And then from this red spot. Then you take out your ass. Divide by 10 minus 1 but 80 divided by 10 to 1 is equal to 7. From here you will get 7. 7 millimeters of gasoline is this. And this 20-second paragraph starts from here to here. I painted it so that I can cut it later. And now go back and continue from this road in the middle. From in the middle. From the middle. You just came up with to gas. 2 and then I started to stick the ruler 2. Put the ruler at the waist point of the front body. Hey, you can come through. Then I see the hips. From here you are 2. And then from here you break a road ruler. After you've crossed a ruler 1 way, you'll see your waistline. How much is, for example, this one, my waistline 64 is equal to, it's less than 6.5, then we'll have 2.5. Number 2.5 you will use. Let me put you in this position. I'm going to hit a very big star here. That is from this dot. You're measuring back through the outside for me. 2.5 centimeter gasoline. Let's say your waist is 64. What if my waist is 80? 80 to 83. Then you also come out from this dot. But it's not to fifths. But I put in this is the number of years. And let's say another one. What if our waist is equal to 100? After the number 83, You shall take 5. You don't add 5. The max skill here is that you will add 6. For example, if your waist is 100, you add it up. From here, this one is equal to 6. We're starting, we're going back to the crotch. Let's draw the crotch. It's okay. And now I'm connected. If you don't jump 5, you're right here. I'm connected here. That? Not yet. And then we'll draw the bottom of the trousers. Here. I cut this part out. I make it easy for you to imagine. It starts from this position. I painted it called to sign A. I drew it from the bottom of my pants. If you make cloth legs like this, you usually will get the back of the trousers. It's a little bit broken here, so I'm going to raft it back. And then you'll put it in here. It's trace the waistline of the back. And then after you cross the waistline, body later. Then from here, you're going to use the waist-to-waist formula. Divide 4 plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2. Here you will be. 16 plus 2 is 18, so start here, from the big star marker here outside here, haha. I'm 2.5 inches away right here. You guys are tricked into this place. 18. It's 18, so we'll start here. Step back onto gas. I put the ruler here. Okay. Turn it over. And we're connected. Then you lengthen. Long down. Then we'll get the flank. Outside of the body. Why did you see me put the ruler here? Okay. So when we go like this position is mine. Sugar. Here's the end of my push. You will take the sign 2 inches from here. Then we take the sign for the lower layer. Here's to gasoline. Now I'm going to start cutting. I'm going to trace this path across. You will cut the body first. Follow this road. Bend the front body along the blue line, the blue line. If you come here, you stop cutting. It's because I have to sort this out in a while. You see the same thing. Come here, I'll stop you. Haha. Then the back body. It's painted at the bottom here. You guys dive up here. We're going to get the body down here. I'll adjust later. And now I'm going to continue with the part that I plan to fold. Remember your hips, I have 3 hips. Instead of having to turn. Now I'm cutting this road out. Then I made a glass. Put it in the right place. For example, I've got a long part of my back. Put it in the right place. I got a glass. Straight down. One drink, then second place. Two glasses. 2 glasses. As you can see, there are 2 sides. And the third cup position is that it's here. Located in this position. I'll start later. I'm going to cross this road. I stretched this part out. I'm going to walk the bottom of my pants out here. I ordered the third glass. It's right next to where I marked it. It's right here. Then you are in this position, how 1 to 3. From here I started to fight. I walked the road around the bottom. You're going to bend your bottom ring in the horizontal line position. That way you get the body first. And folding cups. You get the body first. 1 drink, 2 drinks, 3 drinks. It's right here. And we'll cut. Let's go back to that part of my crotch. This is the front body. There are pleats and pants at the bottom. It will grow like this. And when you're lucky, this model has a bow in the middle. Then you will sew the bow. The size of the bow it will be 5 years of gasoline, and its length will be the same as the waistline on the body. And I took back the pocket. Is 12 gasoline like the original? That's done for the previous part. You can imagine. And see what's missing here. I'll leave a comment below. I'll see and answer for you. And after that, we cut the body first. Then I'll cut the back. After the body, here we are. We just need to take the road horizontal of waist. Then the crotch is here. We'll adjust it. Give it a little beauty. Then you go straight down from here. Are we going to get the pants? Then, on this side of the fence, you go straight down. Then you will get the part. Put your pants back here and remember to. Here, it's going to get the vertical one. Draw the side here so I can hold to petrol. And the length of this is 16. So I've just shared a whole model. Pants with pleated. The body before and the body after. To walk along to a sister. If the whole family watched, if anything is unclear, comment below. I'll see the comments and respond. I wish you success. Thank you and Shincho, see you.